Hi everyone, Dr. Ginger here. I wanted to clarify something. People come to me from all over the place, all over the world, all over the country for voice to pelvic floor problems, especially when it concerns their hip. So lots of PAOs, hip scope issues that aren't getting better, they don't know why. There's usually a voice to pelvic floor component. So the question is that I have for you, if you are feeling tightness in the front of the hips here, a lot of people are wondering, okay, it's my hip flexor, I just need to stretch it. The first thing I would say is, if you have a hip issue, and especially if you've had a hip scope or a PAO, is to say no, please don't stretch, okay? I rarely teach or use any stretches. The second question I want you to ask yourself is my psoas holding tension on its own, or am I? And that's part of what I investigate.